life in prison for two men accused of such an atrocious crime. How did the family react to this verdict?
The family has been extremely gracious with the efforts of law enforcement and the district attorney's office throughout this. They were satisfied, and they are satisfied. There's nothing to be unhappy about in this case. Two incredibly violent men and dangerous men are going to die in prison. And that's what this jury decided, and that's what the verdict sends the message to them. And that is, if you're going to commit these kind of crimes, be prepared to spend the rest of your life and die in prison. Denny Phillips and Russell Hogshuter have sealed their fate, and we're pleased with the outcome and respect the jury's decision. They are a continuing threat to society, and they will not be in society anymore.
You guys had pushed for the death penalty, though, because this was such an atrocious crime. Are you a little bit disappointed that the jury did not give them the death penalty?
The people who win in this case is society in general, and that is, society in general has two men who are dangerous, continuing threats, as this jury found, and they are not going to be in society anymore. So you can't be disappointed with that. The law and the facts of this case supported the death penalty. The jury obviously considered that. They deliberated for hours and hours overnight, late into the night last night, actually early into the morning this morning. They struggled with that decision, and they made the decision they felt was right. The family's satisfied, and justice is done.
I am a person who personally doesn't believe in the death penalty, but I was quite concerned that my client could receive the death penalty. The jury clearly gave thoughtful consideration in this case. You can tell that from the finding of the aggravators. I take no joy. These families have suffered terrible losses. My client goes to jail for the rest of his life. So there's no winner in this, but I do appreciate the jury's consideration.